Do this one simple move and watch how people treat you with instant respect. There's a 3-second trick that completely shifts how others perceive you. It's simple, incredibly effective, and once you start using it, people will respond to you differently, without even realizing why. Most people unknowingly sabotage their own presence. They speak too fast, react without thinking, and let emotions dictate their responses. They chase after validation instead of commanding respect. In their fear of standing out, they blend into the crowd, never realizing that being unnoticed is the quickest way to be ignored. But powerful individuals, they do something completely different. They create space. They make people wait. They don't rush to react or respond. And because of this, they exude confidence and authority. Stay with me until the end, because I'll also reveal a powerful bonus trick that will amplify this effect even more. The secret, the 3-second rule. Before reacting to anything, pause for 3 seconds. Sounds too simple. That's exactly why it's so powerful. Because almost no one does it. When you wait before responding, you shift the entire dynamic of an interaction. You stand out. You appear more confident, more composed, more important. You create an aura of authority that changes how people perceive you. Try it in different situations. Before answering a question, pause for 3 seconds. Before reacting to an insult, hold your response. Before speaking in a meeting, look around, breathe, and then respond. Before making a decision, use the pause to collect your thoughts. Before allowing emotions to dictate your reaction, stay silent and analyze the situation. Why the 3-second rule works like magic. Most people rush to fill silence. They feel uncomfortable with pauses, so they speak without thinking, unknowingly diminishing their presence. But the moment you stop rushing, something powerful happens. You gain control. You become someone people listen to, someone who doesn't have to demand attention, because attention is naturally drawn to you. Here's what the 3-second rule does. It makes you look calm under pressure. It forces people to take you seriously. It makes others second-guess their own words. It prevents impulsive reactions that can cost you respect. It creates an air of confidence and mystery. It makes people crave your response. People will start wondering, why isn't he reacting instantly? Is he more powerful than me? Does he know something I don't? This subtle shift forces them to see you differently. The power of control. In any interaction, one person leads and the other follows. Most people let the situation control them. They react. They explain. They try to justify themselves. But when you pause before responding, you flip the script. Now, instead of you following the conversation, the other person is waiting for you. They feel the weight of your silence. And that's where true power lies. A follower responds instantly, without thinking, talks too much, trying to fill every silence, tries to win arguments instead of controlling conversations, feels uncomfortable with pauses, seeks validation instead of commanding respect. A leader pauses before responding to command attention, speaks with purpose, and doesn't waste words, uses silence as a tool to create presence, controls emotions, and never reacts impulsively, makes people wait for their response, owns their words, and never apologizes for their presence. This is why the most powerful people in the world, CEOs, world leaders, high-status individuals, all have something in common. They speak slowly, they pause before responding, they never seem rushed, and they make people wait for their words. The bonus trick: amplify your presence. Want to take the 3-second rule to the next level? Here's a simple yet powerful addition. After the 3-second pause, tilt your head slightly and raise an eyebrow. Then, when you speak, lower your voice slightly and speak in a slow, controlled tone. This does three things. It subtly signals dominance. It makes people subconsciously intimidated by your presence. It forces them to listen more intently to every word you say. You don't need to be aggressive. You don't need to demand respect. You simply command it without saying a single word. Where to use the 3-second rule. This technique isn't just for conversations. It works everywhere. In business meetings, pause before speaking to show confidence. In arguments, stay silent for 3 seconds and let the other person feel the tension. In negotiations, let the other person feel the silence while you stay composed. In dating, create attraction and mystery with well-placed pauses. In public speaking, use silence to make your words more powerful. In confrontations, let the other person feel the weight of your silence before you choose to respond. In everyday interactions, never rush your words. Never feel the need to explain, and always control the pace of the conversation. This is what separates powerful individuals from the rest. They control the pace, they own the silence, they make people wait, and because of that, people respect them, without even knowing why. Here's what happens when you start using this. People stop interrupting you. People listen more carefully when you speak. People start seeing you as a leader. People become slightly intimidated by your presence. People respect you without you having to say a word. This is psychological dominance at its purest form. The weak rush, the powerful wait. Respect isn't something you ask for. It's something you command. The weak react emotionally. The powerful stay calm. The weak seek validation. The powerful make people earn their words. The weak give away control. The powerful own it. The weak try to impress others. The powerful let others impress them. Starting today, use the 3-second rule and watch how the world reacts to you. Welcome to Mind Matters, where we unlock the psychology of confidence, power, and influence. Subscribe now and start mastering the art of commanding respect. See you in the next video.